Irony here. Welcome to Krazee Adventures. Today, we'll be heading to Two Mamas Farm Waterfall Trail in Cummington, Mass., lunch at Listons in Worthington, and a few other stops along the way. Join us to see where the road leads us. We started our day driving by Bashista Orchards in Southampton, Mass., on our way to Outlook Farm, which is located on Route 66 in Westhampton. Outlook Farm is a historic, family-run farm and agritourism destination featuring an orchard, farm store, and a casual eatery. We discovered their delicious pumpkin and chocolate chip cookies on a previous visit and will often detour to the farm store if we happen to be in the area. We also purchased cottage bacon, a cured pork shoulder that is a cross between ham and bacon and is less greasy. It is amazingly tasty on breakfast sandwiches.
We weren't looking for a destination, just a road to kill some time. Route 66 through Westhampton, spring was just starting to climb. Trees were waking up.
We took the road less traveled, heading to our next destination. We passed the Greenberg Family Conservation Area, commenting how crowded the parking area was. Maybe we should add it to our list of destinations to explore.
Like he knew we'd wander through Outlook Farm, somewhere off 66, where a wrong turn turns into this. Apple trees just starting to bloom, and a sky that makes a little more room for a couple chasing nothing but time, and somehow finding something like right. Yeah, we didn't plan it, but here we are.
Passing the Cummington Fairgrounds, we realized we're very close to our next stop. Tucked away in the hill towns of western Mass., Two Mamas Farm, formerly Taproot Commons Farm and Warner Farm, is a hidden gem in Cummington, Massachusetts, with deep roots and a peaceful backroads vibe. This 131-acre privately owned property has been farmed since the 1700s and was permanently protected in 2010 to preserve its agricultural heritage, wildlife habitat, and clean water sources. The trailhead is on Porter Hill Road. When you see the Farmstand for Two Mamas Farm, continue on Porter Hill Road. The very small 4-car parking lot will be on the left. As you explore, you'll find two gentle streams, Porter Brook and Tower Brook, winding through wetlands and forests, adding to the quiet and natural beauty of the land. One of the highlights here is a short, easy public trail, a little over a mile round trip that leads from Porter Hill Road to a charming waterfall along Tower Brook. It's a very easy walk, but it feels like stepping into your own little secret spot. Be mindful, you are in the woods. You will encounter downed tree limbs, rocks, and roots along the path. There are many large boulders scattered along the path and a great deal of glorious moss. The waterfall has been described as 7 cascades, and it is absolutely worth the trip out to view. Even though the trail is open to visitors, this is still an active, privately owned farm. Be sure to stay on marked paths and respect the land. If you're visiting in late winter or early spring, keep an eye out for maple sugaring lines along the trail. It's all part of the working landscape that makes this place so special. It's the perfect low-key stop for a scenic break and a peaceful walk. We would have loved to stop in at Two Mamas Farmstand. Unfortunately, their season hasn't started yet.
Pulled off the road where the fields run wide, green hills rolling into the sky. Two Mamas Farm sitting quiet and proud, like it's been waiting all this time. You grab my hand like let's go see, no hurry, just curiosity. Past a kiosk and maple lines where the woods start whispering to me. Trail starts where the noise fades out, and the world gets smaller somehow. Down Waterfall Trail through the shade and stone, where the wild things grow and the wind enjoying every sight. Roots like veins under mossy ground, sunlight breaking in scattered gold. You stopped to laugh when I almost slipped, said careful, this story's getting bold. Birds cut through like they own the air, everything else just disappears, and the deeper we go, the louder it grows, like the earth is pulling us near. You said I think we're close right now, and I swear I could feel it somehow. Down Waterfall Trail through the shade and stone, where the wild things grow and the wind moves slow. Every step feels like it knows your name, like the earth itself is part of the game. And I don't know how, but I feel alright, chasing daylight through the forest light. Yeah, we found something we didn't plan to find, exploring Waterfall Trail, enjoying every sight. Then the sound got louder than words could be, like the forest was opening up to see, and there it was, falling wild and free, like it waited all along for me. Water hitting stone like a heartbeat, and suddenly everything's still. Down Waterfall Trail, where the river bends, where the story starts and the map just stands. Mist on your face, sun in your eyes, a little piece of heaven in disguise. And I don't know how, but I know it's right, standing here in the waterfall light. The trail leads to it all, at Two Mama's farm. Waterfall.
On to our next stop.
Back roads twisting like a lazy song. GPS gave up a mile ago. You said, trust me, I think it's here. And boom, Farmstand in the summer air. Hand-painted signs and a gravel lot. Sun so bright it makes you stop. Oliver sitting right off Route 112, like a secret you just unlock. Doorbell rings and the world slows down, like time forgot this little town. Oliver's Farmstead in Goshen MA, where the peaches taste like a perfect day. Goodies stacked like a country dream, and everything's better than it seems. You grab a basket, I grab your hand. We're rich in the way that simple can be. Yeah, we didn't plan it, but here we are at Oliver's Farmstand.
Nestled right along Route 9 in the hill town of Goshen, Oliver's Farmstand is a true local gem built from the ground up. What started in 2017 as a simple tent and a couple of used tables, just months after the birth of their son Oliver, has grown into a thriving, self-serve farm stand open year-round. After browsing, we bought ground beefalo from Chestnut Lot Farm in Conway, apple cider and an apple cider donut from Pine Hill Orchards in Coleraine, Appalachian Naturals Berkshire Maple Mustard from Goshen, and Pops Up Maple Cinnamon Toast Popcorn from all the way in Dover, New Hampshire. If we find ourselves in the area again, we'll be sure to stop back in.
Goshen MA, where the cider donut tastes like a perfect day. Apple cider and a spring breeze, and not a single place we'd rather be. You spin me around in the parking lot like we've got forever right where we are. Yeah, we didn't plan it, but here we are at Oliver's Farmstand, filling the car.
And then on to our late lunch destination. Located in the hills of Worthington, there's a place where history, community, and comfort food all come together. Liston's Bar and Restaurant. Known as the highest bar in Massachusetts, Listons has been a Hilltown staple since 1933. It all began with Fred Liston, who built a small Esso gas station right here in town. After Prohibition ended, he added a bar, just 4 stools, and a candy counter, creating a place where folks could fuel up their cars outside and themselves inside. Over the decades, Listons has grown and evolved, passing through different owners while holding on to that same welcoming spirit. Today it stands as a classic Hilltown tavern, serving up burgers, comfort food favorites, and cold drinks in a laid-back, come-as-you-are atmosphere. We enjoyed the chicken cordon bleu, a Liston's favorite, which is fried chicken, ham, honey mustard, Swiss cheese on a grilled sesame bun, and the chili cheeseburger, which is venison chili and cheddar cheese on a grilled bun. As we were leaving, we realized how close we were to Glendale Falls and decided to make a quick stop. We'll link a previous video here. What a great day exploring a few notable stops in Western Massachusetts. Thanks for joining us.
Through the hills where the wild pines grow, there's a place where the cold streams flow. Tumble down through the valley deep, carving tales the rivers keep. Water sings like a traveler's song, been here long before we came along. Oh, Glendale Falls, you've seen it all, rushing through the rise and fall. Stones stand strong, time moves fast, but your waters never look back.
Let us know where you think we should explore next. Be sure to check the video description for the addresses of our stops today so you can plan a future adventure yourself. Can't wait to see where the road takes us next.